Hello, bro. I want to tell you something honestly. Few months back, I was completely confused. Like, seriously, I don't know what I am doing in my life. Sometimes I feel like I should learn some skills. Sometimes I feel like I should prepare for government job. Sometimes I feel like I should start something online. Every day, new plan. And after 2-3 days, I drop it. I was just going in circles. I think you also felt this at some point, that feeling where nothing is clear. So one day I just asked myself, am I so confused? And I realized something very simple. I am not confused. I am just not clear. Because I never actually thought properly. I never measured anything. Then I tried one small thing, like a simple math idea, and honestly, it gave me more clarity than all motivational videos. Let me show you. Direction equals interest into skill into opportunity. Looks simple, right? But this changed how I think. So I took one example, my own. I was thinking, should I learn content creation or not? First, interest. I asked myself honestly, do I really like this or just seeing others doing it? For me, I liked it. Not perfect, but I liked it. So, I gave 7 out of 10. Second, skills. Then I asked, am I good at it right now? Honestly, no. Very beginner. So I gave 3 out of 10. Third, opportunity. Then I checked, is there any growth? Can people earn from this? Yes, definitely. So I gave 8 out of 10. Now just multiply everything. I get around 168 scores. Look at this number, 168. This is okay. Now what? So I made one simple rule for myself. If scoring is below 300, then it is a risky direction. If score is between 300 to 600, then it needs improvement. If the score is above 600, then we should focus fully. So I checked my score that is below 300. That means this is so risky. But here is the interesting part. I did not feel bad. I felt clear. Because now I know the problem. My interest is okay. Opportunity is good. But I am very low in skill. So instead of changing direction again, I just decided one thing, improve skills. No overthinking, no confusion, just one focus. And slowly things started making sense. That's when I understood most of us are not confused. We just never check all three things together. Sometimes we like something, we have interest but no skills. Sometimes we have skills but no interest. Sometimes both are there but no opportunity. And we keep wondering why life is not working. So if you are confused right now, don't overthink. Just do this one small exercise. Take one paper, write one goal, give marks from 1 to 10 for each interest, skill and opportunity. Be honest, don't lie to yourself. Multiply it and just see your scores. If it is below 300, then don't panic, just understand something is missing. If it is between 300 to 600, then you are on the right path, but improve. If it is above 600, then stop doubting yourself, focus seriously. You don't need perfect life plan. You just need little clarity. And sometimes simple maths can give that clarity. Don't follow confusion. Follow calculation. I'm just trying to simplify life using maths. Thank you.